been using Google Chrome for years, but did you know there are some hidden features inside it that can completely change the way you browse? Today, I'll show you how to unlock some hidden Chrome flags that will bring next level features to your Google Chrome. Let's turn your Chrome into something way more powerful. Now, to get started, make sure you have the latest version of Google Chrome, and you can check that by clicking on your help option here and click on about Google Chrome, and here you are going to see I am on the new build version 141, and make sure you update it. To enable these features, you have to head to Google Chrome flags by entering this code into your URL. And here the first feature we are going to enable is called split view, and this you have to select the third one, which is going to enable and also show the minibar, and click on launch to restart your Google Chrome. Once you have it enabled, now we can browse anywhere on our Google Chrome browser, and the pretty cool features that comes with it are so amazing. So with this, we can just right click on any link and just open the link in a split view, and this is so amazing. So with this, we can get a side-by-side preview of what we are doing, and it's so damn good and amazing. And that's not only it. If we right click on our tab, we are going to see a whole new features that's here. So with this, we can separate the view with this button, and also we can right click on any tab, and we are going to see add tab to new split view, and when I click on it, you are going to see it's going to open a split view, and here it's asking me to choose another page for the split view. So with this, I can just click on this one, which is going to split up the view of my two tabs, and it's so crazy. Now when I click at the bottom here, there are some also cool features here, and with this I can separate the split view. I can also close this view and also reverse the view, which is going to switch the split view. The next feature I'm going to show you is link preview, and this is also amazing. So you can just click on it and enable it, and here we are going to see we can also enable it in different ways. If we want it to be enabled when we alt and click, when we alt and hover, but I recommend you choose the enable, which is so smooth. So once you have it enabled, just restart your Google Chrome, and now you are going to see with every link I hover, I can just click on my alt key, and it's going to be previewed in a different window for me, and this is a game changer. So with this, we don't have to waste our time clicking on unwanted links, and with just the alt key and hover, we are going to see a new page open in the form of a pop-up for me, and it's pretty cool. The only downside is when it opens, it's kind of small, and you can also adjust the size of the preview, but that's pretty cool. So these are the hidden features that makes Google Chrome feel brand new. Try them out and comment which one you really like the most. And if you want more hidden tech tips like this, and hit the subscribe button.